Hey, welcome to Bar Essentials, straight from Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And in this series, we're going over the essential ingredients needed by every great bar, every great bartender, and every happiness bar. And today, we're going to be making that 1-to-1 ratio ginger syrup. If you're looking for a recipe for demerara syrup, simple syrup, honey syrup, mint syrup, saline solution, orgeat, or even a technique for citrus juicing, check out the links below. But if you're in the right place, let's jump in. So the tools we're going to need today for our ginger syrup: our juicer. We need a pot. We need a fine mesh sieve. We need a kitchen scale, something you can weigh grams with. And for our ingredients, we're going to need ginger juice. So we're going to do it by juicing our ginger here. Now, if you don't have a juicer or have accessibility to a juicer, you can go and buy fresh pressed ginger juice. You'll probably find it at Whole Foods or somewhere. Just make sure it's something with no sugar added. But for the rest of us, we're going to need to juice our own. We're also going to need some white sugar. For those of you juicing, if you have a juicer at home, make sure you follow the instructions for your particular juicer. Turn this up, get this going, and all we're going to do is just start pressing our ginger through. Make sure it's broken down into small enough chunks. Start to see that beautiful, bright yellow juice. I'm just going to keep juicing all this ginger. What we're looking for is about 250 grams of ginger juice. Getting there. Say that's it. Pulp that's left over from the ginger. I believe you can use it in other applications if you want. When I post a video, I'll look it up and I'll post in the description some uses for the ginger pulp. We got our ginger juiced. Grab our kitchen scale. Grab a container, something we can weigh in. Always make sure you zero it out, and we're gonna weigh out 250 grams of ginger juice. We go ahead and add our ginger juice to the pot. Zero out the scale. Add our 250 grams of sugar. Add our sugar. Alright, we're going to turn our heat on, give that a stir, heat it over kind of like a medium-high heat. Again, we want to heat this until all of our sugar is fully dissolved. While we're waiting, we might as well take a little immune-boosting shot. Oh, that is hot. That is hot. Straight ginger. Okay, we're going to grab a clean cork container, grab our mesh strainer and get that ready. Blue tape, something we can label with. Name of the product, date, throw it on there. Now with the ginger syrup, we're gonna go ahead and strain it. I just wanna make sure that little bit of extra grit from the ginger after juicing it really gets out. Go ahead and pour that in there. And there you have it, a 1-to-1 ratio ginger syrup, essential for every bar and every happiness bar. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell if you want notifications. My ear is ringing from that ginger shot. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Stay happy, everyone.